Hey guys, welcome to the Hangout with Donna Gets Crafty. Let's go make something. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to share that today is my very first collab with Christmas in July. This collab is hosted by Keisha with Sweet Urban Rose, as well as Carrie from Mama Dares to DIY. So make sure you check out their links below and their channels because they're full of affordable DIYs and upcycles and just amazing home decor. Also, you'll see the link to the playlist of everybody that's participating in this month's challenge. So make sure you check out everybody on that list and get inspired for the holiday season that is going to be upon us soon. So today's craft is super easy. This is the checklist of supplies that you're going to need. You can use burlap or you can use any piece of material that you have. You can write any word that you want in that little piece of paper. I chose to write Christmas because this is like a Christmassy winter project that I'm doing. So I like to make things that are useful both during Christmas as well as winter. So I took this reverse frame that I had already made. I'll have a video up on how to make a reversed frame soon, hopefully. But you can use any one of the hard canvases from Dollar Tree as well. You just take a piece of, this is burlap that I'm using, and you can use, like I said, also a piece of material. And what I did was I cut it and then I pulled off the ends of the fabric there to give it a nice little fringed look. I thought that was going to look very rustic and cute. I like rustic, I like chic, I like things that are just pretty to look at. So I thought that to use this burlap, okay, and then glue it onto the center of this canvas. When you're using hot glue and canvas, please be careful because the glue does ooze through the canvas. So I used a glue stick to kind of spread it out and hold it down. I'm continuously burning my fingers using these glue sticks. I'm not going to have any fingerprints left. So word to the wise. I picked up that particular tree I picked up last year. Dollar Tree sells them or something like them every season. There's 2 on a pack. So they were 2 for $1, and it's just this white tree. It's got a little bit of glitter on it. So I thought that glam glitter and the burlap was going to work well together. I had this hollyberry pick that was also left over from last year because I haven't bought any Christmas stuff yet. So the white and the burlap and the little red beans, they're not beans, what are they? Hollyberries, little red berries. I just hot glued a couple of them on sporadically onto the branches, and it just gave such a really nice look to this particular project. So if this is your first time stopping by, I'm so glad that you're here. Are you celebrating Christmas in July in any way? Do you have any crafts that you are making or collaborating with at this time? If you are, let me know. Leave me a comment. And so here's a battle that goes on in our house at Christmas. Do you have colored lights or white lights? Are they standing still lights or are they blinking lights? Okay, so that's a big thing around here. I like white. My husband likes colored. So we try to find a compromise every year. So here I am just continuing to glue little bits and pieces sporadically on the branches. Now I took the little pieces that I peeled off of the burlap and I tied them together and took one piece of the burlap and just kind of like ran it around the middle and made like a little rustic kind of bow. Little glue stick holds that together, stick that right into the center of the picture. Super easy. This was super easy. It really took me less than 10 minutes from beginning to end. Took a little bit of glue, stuck it to the middle, and then I went ahead and put some red berries in the center there. So, and there is my super easy Christmas in July project. It's 91 degrees here, so I had a hard time getting into it, but there we are. I used these dots that are amazing, got from the Dollar Tree. I put a couple little dots, made that look like a little banner there, but then it will come off so I can keep it up all winter, which is kind of cool and fun. Well, if this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by, but I would love to have you join me on this crazy crafting, redo the house adventure. That's the focus of what I'm going to be doing here. Our home is an empty nest, so this is going to be, I think, really our first Christmas, possibly without any of our kids home, which is going to be weird. So I'm remaking all of my fall, all of my Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything that I have is like really from the kids, and so lots of memories there, but we want to build new memories. So if you want to subscribe, just go ahead and click on subscribe, click the bell twice, and then you're going to get notice every time I pop up a new video, which is once or twice a week. And don't forget to check out the playlist below for the 2020 DIY Christmas in July Challenge, hosted by Keisha with Sweet Urban Rose, as well as Carrie from Mama Dares to DIY.